Hey guys, welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. Testing an electronic device that is soft starter for an electromotor. Maybe you don't know what device I am holding. This is a device that I took from a broken vacuum cleaner. And now let's prepare the equipment to test this device. We need a lamp with a capacity of 5 watts. A piece of wire with the plug. Connect the lamp wires to the motor output terminal of this device. Connect the wires to the input terminal of this device, namely N terminal and L terminal. I don't use sockets because it is very difficult to find them here. Install two small wires to the output terminal to connect to AC voltmeter. I only use an electric soldering iron with a very small power capacity of 25 watts. Wind the two wires that have just been installed into the AC digital voltmeter. Insert the plug into the socket. The voltage measured at the time of the start is 65 volt AC. Then I unplug it from the socket. The AC voltage measured when the soft start is no longer working is 198 volt AC. While the time required to reach the maximum voltage is about 10 seconds. The measured input power voltage is 206 volt AC. The voltage difference is 206 less 197 equal 9 volt AC. Power dissipation is 0.18 watt. And thank you for watching.